Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy apple pie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 medium baking apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp peeled and sliced. For the crust, 2 ready-made pie crusts make this recipe super easy. We'll also use a blend of granulated and brown sugar, a touch of flour, and warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg to create that classic apple pie flavor. Finally, a couple of tablespoons of butter will add richness. Now, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. In a large bowl, combine your thinly sliced apples with the granulated and brown sugars. The sugar will help draw out moisture and create a lovely syrup. Next, sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This acts as a thickener for the filling. Finally, add the fragrant ground cinnamon and nutmeg. Gently toss all these ingredients together until every apple slice is beautifully coated and ready for the pie. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully unroll one of your ready-made pie crusts and fit it into a 9-inch pie plate. Make sure it's snug against the bottom and sides. Now, spoon your spiced apple filling evenly into the crust. For extra richness, dot the top of the apples with small pieces of the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling, crimp the edges to seal, and cut a few small vents for steam to escape. Almost there. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie at this temperature for the first 15 minutes to set the crust. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes. The pie is done when the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Allow it to cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This ensures the filling sets perfectly for a delightful slice of homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.